Good day, everyone. Welcome to another series of Chemistry Just Got Easier. Today, we are going to be learning how to calculate relative atomic mass. The relative atomic mass of an element is the average mass of its atoms compared to 1/12 the mass of one carbon-12 atom. For isotopes, relative atomic mass is calculated as the weighted average of all naturally occurring isotopes of an element. For example, chlorine has two isotopes, chlorine 35 and chlorine 37. Chlorine 35 has 75% abundance, while chlorine 37 has 25% abundance. To calculate the relative atomic mass of chlorine, we multiply the abundance by each mass of the element, then we add them together. 75% abundance is same thing as 0.75 times 35. And we add it to 25% abundance, same thing as 0.25 times 37. Total relative atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5. Calculating relative molecular mass. Relative molecular mass is the sum of the relative atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule. Relative molecular mass is unitless. Steps to calculate relative molecular mass. The first step is to identify the molecular formula of the compound. For example, water has a molecular formula of H2O. This formula shows that water has 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. The next step is to use the periodic table to get the atomic masses of each element. For example, hydrogen has an atomic mass of 1, oxygen has an atomic mass of 16. The next step is to multiply and add. We multiply each element's atomic mass by its number of atoms in the formula. For instance, hydrogen has 2 atoms in water molecule. We multiply it by its atomic mass, which is 1. Oxygen has 1 atom in water molecule. We multiply it by its atomic mass, which is 16. Next step is to add the results to get the relative molecular mass. So we say 2 times 1, which is 2, plus 1 times 16, which is 16. 2 plus 16, which brings the relative molecular mass to be 18. Key points to note. Relative atomic mass is a ratio and has no unit. Relative molecular mass also has no unit, but molar mass is expressed in gram per mole. Every element's relative atomic mass is listed on the periodic table. For example, hydrogen has an atomic mass of 1, oxygen has an atomic mass of 16, sodium has an atomic mass of 23, and so on and so forth. Thanks for listening. Follow for more cool chemistry. Bye. See you next time.